Hello students, in this video we will be solving the second question from exercise 8.2. The first problem under question 2 is 2 tan 30 degrees upon 1 plus tan square 30 degrees. So we need to find the value of that. So tan 30 is 1 upon root 3. So put 2 into 1 upon root 3. The equal to side here, whole thing upon 1 plus again tan square 30, that means it is 1 upon root 3 whole square. This would be 2 upon root 3 whole thing upon 1 plus 1 upon root 3 whole square will be 1 upon 3. So this, if we take out LCM, this would be 2 upon root 3 whole thing upon 3 plus 1 upon 3. Continue over here. From division form, I'll convert this into the multiplication form. To do that, it will be 2 upon root 3 into whatever is the denominator will become now the numerator, and whatever is the numerator will become the denominator. So I'll directly write 3 plus 1, 4. Cancel, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, and we get 3 upon root 3. I'll write it as 2 root 3. Now to rationalize, I'll multiply root 3, the numerator and denominator, and we'll get 3 root 3 upon 2 into root 3 into root 3 will give us 3. 2 into 3. 3 and 3 cancels, and we'll end up getting the answer as root 3 upon 2. That is our first answer. The next problem is 1 minus tan square 45 degree upon 1 plus tan square 45 degree. Tan 45 is 1. So it will be 1 minus 1 whole square whole thing upon 1 plus 1 whole square. 1 minus 1 will give us 0. 1 plus 1 is 2. 0 upon anything gives us 0. So the answer is 0 for the second problem. Our third problem is sine 2a is equal to 2 sine a is true when a is equal to dash. So we need to find the value of a when we need to find the value of a at which sine 2a is equal to 2 sine a. If I look at it, you can easily say that a should be equal to 0. When a is equal to 0, then say sine, it will become 2 of 0 equal to 2 sine of 0. We know that 2 into 0 is sine 0. Okay, and this sine 0 is what? 0. Sine 0 is again 0. So these two will become equal when the value of a is equal to 0. Okay, that is the answer. When a is equal to 0, sine 2a is equal to 2 sine a. Next problem is 2 tan 30 degrees upon 1 minus tan square 30 degrees. Tan 30 we know is 1 upon root 3. So right over here, 1 upon root 3 whole thing upon 1 minus 1 upon root 3 whole square. This will be 2 upon root 3. This will be the denominator 1 minus 1 upon root 3 whole square will be 1 upon 3. Once again this will be 2 upon root 3 whole thing upon 3 minus 1 upon 3. Changing from division to multiplication, we get 2 upon root 3 into 3 upon 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 and 2 cancels, we get 3 upon root 3. I multiply this by root 3, rationalizing. We get 3 root 3, and root 3 into root 3 will be 3. We cancel 3, answer is root 3 for this question. So with this we finish with the second question under exercise 8.2. Coming to the third problem under exercise 8.2, says if tan of a plus b equal to root 3 and tan of a minus b equal to 1 upon root 3, Then 0 degrees is where 0 degrees is less than a plus b less than equal to 90 degrees, and a is greater than b, find a and b. So we have been given tan of a plus b equal to root 3. We also know that tan of 60 degrees is also equal to root 3, right? So which means we can say that tan of a plus b is equal to tan of 60 degrees. Okay, which means a plus b is equal to 60 degrees. Now this is equal to 60. What else do we know? We know we have been given tan of a minus b is equal to 1 upon root 3. We also know from our trigonometric table that tan of 30 degrees is also equal to 1 upon root 3. So this implies that a minus b is equal to, or rather we can say tan of a minus b is equal to tan of 30 degrees, which means a minus b is equal to 30 degrees. Okay, it just tells you that this particular angle a minus b is actually 30 degrees. Here also a plus b, it tells you that it is 60 degrees. Now we can see over here 1 and 2, and what we do is we add 1 and 2. So what is 1? A plus b equal to 60 degrees. And what is 2? A minus b equal to 30 degrees. If we add the 2, this will cancel. We will get 2a equal to 90 degrees, which means a will be equal to 45 degrees. So we get the value of a. Now all we need to do is substitute the value of a in either 1 or 2 and we'll get the answer. So what I'll do is I'll substitute the value of a, substituting a equal to 45 degrees in 1, okay, over here. So instead of a I put 45 degrees plus b equal to 60 degrees. I'll take 45 degrees on the other side, it will become negative. So b equal to 60 degrees minus 45 degrees, which means b is equal to 15 degrees. In this way we get a as well as b. Okay, so if you've liked this video, please click the like button, share it with your friends and classmates. Please subscribe to the channel and do not forget to click on the bell icon to receive notification whenever a new video is posted. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.